Okay, good morning. So it's 10 o'clock right now. It's Monday, January 31st. I can't believe tomorrow is February 1st. Like, that's crazy. But I just did some work and yeah, I'm gonna start my day. I have a few things written down that I want to do today on my little planner, but yeah, I just did some work, sent an invoice. Bentley's eating in the other room, and yeah, I'm gonna do my yoga right now and then also read my 101 essays that will change the way you think. I have been reading that before doing my yoga, and it's just like helped me get through. Hi, baby. You're back. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. Cute. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my yoga. I'm gonna get myself ready for yoga first, but then yeah, I've been doing a new, oh, you've made a mess. He's been hanging out in here while I was doing that work, but which honestly took me like 2 hours, but it went by so fast. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe it's been 2 hours. But I think I'm gonna wear shorts during my workout today, because it's gonna be, you know, hi baby, because it's gonna be 50 degrees today, which makes me feel like it's warm. So excuse me. No, don't pull on it. Let go, please. All right, let me get dressed. He's excited. Ready? Let's go.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
Pretty, pretty.
Brazilian football team is New Orleans Saints. They just had some toughness that they've shown all year, and I'm
Okay, so I woke up and there was like 7 inches of snow outside, so that was crazy. But we shoveled the driveway and I did my yoga, took a shower, did a little bit of makeup, and now we're going to clean the office. We're gonna organize it and just get it a little more together because I still have like wrapping paper, which Bentley is playing with right now, but I still have like wrapping paper and like boxes and stuff from Christmas, so I just want to like do a clean sweep and just like get rid of a few things. And then because I organized my like underneath my bathroom sink, I got these bins, and I want to try to put like my hair products in that so that I can use, if you can see that little dresser thing over there, I want to use to put like stuff that's on my desk, like my journals and my planner and just like those kind of things that I want nearby but I don't want it on my desk. So yeah, I think we're gonna do that. And then I also kind of want to change the placement of everything which I know I just did, but like I just don't know if I like it. And I also want to put a couple things on the wall, but we might have to save that for a little bit later. But yeah, we're gonna start. Yeah, that's wrapping paper from Christmas. It's bigger than you. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start. I think I want to start in the closet because let me show you. It's just very messy. Please don't hit it. Like, there's literally just like my childhood boxes and like some summer clothes, random stuff on the ground, and then over here is like my Poshmark stuff, and then stuff I want to donate, and then just like stuff up there. So I want to go through that first and then kind of organize all that, and then we'll get into like moving things. And yeah, so we're gonna do that today. I'm giving myself 2 hours to do this, so I just went through the closet, and now I'm going to go through this big bin of clothes to figure out what I'm gonna donate and what I'm gonna sell. And then, yeah, I'll just do a little time lapse. But I wanted to mention this funny comment that I got about how much I wiggle, and like my legs just move a lot when I'm doing a time lapse. So thank you, Walker, for telling me that, because I thought that was so funny and I never noticed it before, but it was really funny. So we were just chatting about that. But yeah, I'm gonna go through these clothes. So I just finished the closet, and now I'm debating on how I want to change the room, because I just don't like where my desk is, because I don't like having my back towards the door, but I like being by the window. So I think I'm just gonna flip it and see what happens then. It's how I had it when I first got the desk. That's like where I put it, and I really did like it, but I think I just, what are you doing? Okay, so we made some progress. I did end up moving the desk just to face the other way, and then I also moved this little drawer thing, which I'm gonna go through right now, and move my hair stuff from there to this little bin. Okay, so I just finished doing all of the office, and I think it's good. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna like having this back here, and like I just put a couple random things, like the top drawers, like the things that I use the most often, because this desk doesn't have any like drawers or anything. So the top one I'm using for like things that I use daily, and then the second and third one just have like miscellaneous things that I just didn't want on the desk. So yeah, but it is all done and I feel so much better. It looks pretty good for now. Like, I still have a few things in the closet, like that bin and stuff, but I'll take that next week. And yeah, that was good. It did take me just about, oh my god, my tripod just fell. It did take me like 2 hours to do it, so I want to vacuum and do all that, but Bentley needs to eat and then take his nap, so I'm just gonna end it here. But I also have things that I want to hang on the wall, so we'll probably do that next week. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks really good. I love having my desk. I think this is like permanently where I'm gonna have my desk, because I love being able to like see the whole room but also look out the window. So yeah, but I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.